Goji berries, which have recently been promoted as superfruits, are known to help combat diabetes and cancer. They are also well known for their potent antioxidants and anti-aging properties. The world is talking about these bright orange, red berries native to China right now, so we will talk about them too. Goji berries go by a variety of names, including Tibetan berries, wolfberries, and Chinese wolfberries. This video will discuss about benefits of goji berries. These berries are popular among celebrities such as Madonna and Miranda Kerr, and with good reason. Consuming the berries has been shown in studies to increase brain activity and a sense of well-being. Another Chinese study discovered that these berries can cause cancer to regress. There are a number of studies that speak so highly of goji berries that one cannot help but try them. And in the next part, we will go through the research that address the many benefits of these berries. Before starting this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Goji berries helps in the treatment of diabetes. In animal studies, the consumption of goji berries was observed to result in lower levels of blood sugar. Berries are a good source of polysaccharides, which are long-chain carbohydrates that may assist in lowering blood sugar levels. The ability of these berries to aid in the treatment of type 2 diabetes has also been established in research. In addition, goji berries boost glucose responsiveness, which accounts for the hypoglycemic effects of these berries. Number 2. Help fight cancer. According to the findings of research, intake with goji berries increased the therapeutic response in cancer patients. Physalin, which may be found in the berries, is recognized to be effective in the elimination of cancer cells. It has been shown that the polysaccharides contained in the berries may cause the death of cancer cells, especially in cancers of the colon, stomach, and prostate. Berries include the antioxidant vitamins A and C, which have been shown to reduce the risk of developing cancer. They are also beneficial in warding against skin cancer. In another piece of Polish study, the authors highlight how berry consumption may help in the fight against breast cancer. Number 3. It may help with weight loss. Because of the low number of calories that they contain and the high number of nutrients that they contain, they may be suitable for inclusion in your diet plan for weight loss. In addition, because goji berries have a low glycemic index, eating them may assist in the process of losing weight by lowering one's desire for sugary foods. Studies have shown that consuming meals with a low glycemic index may speed up the weight loss process. Berries, much like other types of fruits and vegetables, contain a significant amount of fiber. Because it increases feelings of fullness and decreases the desire to binge eat, fiber may facilitate weight loss. According to the findings of another study, consumption of goji berries may increase the amount of energy expended and lead to a smaller waist circumference in persons who are overweight. Number 4. Can regulate blood pressure levels. The anti-hypertensive effects of the berries are a direct result of the polysaccharides that may be found in them. In point of fact, these berries have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for the purpose of controlling one's blood pressure levels. According to the findings of a study conducted in China, the polysaccharides found in berries may assist in lowering blood pressure and warding off related diseases. Well, you've come this far. Hope you are enjoying watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs and subscribe to our channel. Number 5. Boost vision health. The antioxidant zeaxanthin, which is known for its beneficial benefits on the eyes, may be found in extremely high concentrations in goji berries. People often consider them to be a kind of natural treatment for age-related macular degeneration, AMD. The zeaxanthin included in the berries works to shield the eyes from the damaging effects of UV rays, free radicals, and other forms of oxidative stress. It was shown that increasing the consumption of goji berry juice on a daily basis for a period of 3 months led to an increase in the amount of plasma zeaxanthin. This may protect the eyes against hypopigmentation and other forms of oxidative stress that may cause damage to the macula. According to the findings of other studies, the berries have the potential to be employed as a natural treatment for glaucoma. Number 6. Goji berries improve lung health. Taking a goji berry supplement for 4 weeks reduced inflammation in the lungs and enhanced white blood cell activity against lung disorders like influenza, according to research. Goji berries may also enhance immunity, which is beneficial to lung health. This characteristic may also aid in the treatment of respiratory disorders such as asthma. Number 7. Can aid in hormone balance. According to the findings of several research, the use of goji berries to cure iron deficiency and to restore hormonal health and balance may be beneficial. Number 8. Enhance fertility and sexual health. Studies have indicated that consumption of goji berries may lead to an increase in testosterone levels in males, leading to an improvement in their sexual health. They are also useful as a complementary therapy for the treatment of erectile dysfunction, ED. Research indicates that eating these berries may also assist males in becoming more reproductive. Number 9. Goji berries help with depression. Goji berries are an excellent source of vitamins B and C, in addition to manganese and fiber. Each of these nutrients is known to increase a person's energy levels and their level of optimism. The berries have also been used as a treatment for conditions such as anxiety, depression, and mood disorders in traditional Chinese medicine. Studies have revealed that drinking juice made from goji berries might enhance one's mood as well as their energy levels. Number 10. Detoxify the liver. The berries are commonly paired with other traditional herbs, such as licorice and ganoderma, in the process of cleansing the liver. According to traditional Chinese medicine, the health benefits of goji berries include the restoration of an individual's vigor and vitality by benefiting both the liver and the kidneys. Because of this property of the berries, it is said that they are also an effective natural treatment for kidney stones. Nevertheless, prior to utilizing them for this reason, it is strongly recommended that you check with your primary care physician. That is it for today. If you find this video informative, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any video.